Today, we will discuss All China Buy and Super Buy. Both provide services for buying items on behalf of clients and supply storage for those items until they are prepared for international shipping. Both offers different international shipping choices to send both items to clients around the globe. Both seek to offer customer support to help buyers with their orders, delivery, and any additional questions. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. All China Buy is a web-based purchasing service that assists global shoppers in acquiring goods from Chinese platforms such as Taobao. It is recognized for possibly enabling the acquisition of a broader variety of items compared to certain rivals, and it is becoming more popular on social media. They provide services such as buying, storing, shipping, and quality assurance, yet user experiences and expenses may differ. Based on information gathered from social media, some users indicate that All China Buy may be pricier, yet it offers a broader selection of items to buy. Superbuy is a prominent and well-known agent that has a substantial user following. They provide an extensive array of services such as buying, storage, quality inspections, and multiple shipping choices. They typically offer an easy-to-use platform with fairly strong English assistance. Superbuy boasts a lengthy history and a generally strong reputation. However, as with any major service, user experiences can differ. They provide various services, including quality control and product photography. All in all, Superbuy is a more established and generally reliable option with a wide range of services. All China Buy is gaining popularity particularly for those seeking to purchase items that may have restriction on other platforms.